This is the Speras EDC flashlight. It's the EST MIC. This is USB-C rechargeable. If you open this up, this will zoom in and zoom out the focus of the light, but this is where you put your USB-C. It does come with a USB-C cable. It comes with a deep carry clip here. It also comes with the clip that will attach to like your hat, so if you wanted to wear it on the top, you could. It comes with an included battery, lithium-ion battery. It's got 3 modes. It also has an instant on and then non-instant on. So instant on is like you just hold it like that and it's instant on. There's no click, but then if you click it, it stays on, okay? So you can see that. And as you basically cycle through, it goes from low, medium, and high. So right here, it's not the best indication of, you know, how bright this thing is, but it is up to 700 lumens. It's extremely small. But what I'm gonna do is go in the basement. I'm gonna show you this so you can kind of get an idea of what we're looking at. So there is an American flag there. I believe this is the medium setting, and I have it kind of just pressed a little bit, and then we'll go bright. So this is the 700 lumen. It is a little during the day there, but, and then this is the moonlight setting. So this would be like the lowest setting, right? So pretty powerful for a little flashlight. And if I click it, it'll stay on. So yeah, you have your instant on, you just hold it, boom, and boom, it cycles through, and then it'll stay on if you want. So yeah, very neat little flashlight. Aluminum body, seems pretty durable. The one thing that let me show you as well is the focus. Let's do that as well. So if you just spin the top, it'll focus in and then focus out. So you can see that, how that goes, and I'll sort of show you here. You can see you're just spinning it basically, and that also opens up the USB-C. So yeah, pretty neat little flashlight. I like the aluminum body, black, tactical looking, pretty neat. Seems to be durable. There it is.